Look who fell asleep in my arms. On the way to Ikea, gonna stop and grab some grub real quick with Tamara. They spell my name wrong every time. So there's nothing worse than when you're excited about getting something to eat and it doesn't meet your expectation.
Good morning. So we are up. It's not really early because it's noon now, but it took us a few hours to get out of the house this morning.
At this point, I'm clueless about what's really about to transpire.
We are headed to Ikea because we are turning our formal living room into a playroom for the kids. I have a little bit of anxiety surrounding clutter and the fact that we are turning the first room that you see when you walk into our home into a playroom is making me nervous, but it's so needed.
Down and set, because you're not going to get that from a bunch of mixes.
I love Ikea. They have the family-friendly parking. This is like 2 parking spaces in one. Even though a lot of people be taking advantage of this, right by the door, you know.
I'm just hoping for a quick trip.
And then it's like, we do with the kids. I mean, it's like so, like this is like.
Space is all wide. Eating your apple, buddy?
Yeah.
Hi, Jade. Hi. How long are we going to be here? It was at this point I knew that I effed up.
Forward, Daddy.
That's Tamara right there. Wonder how long is she going to take? She is getting further and further away. She disappeared again. You know, we used to have this dog named Lucky that we used to walk, and it was just like he had to stop and smell every tree, every mailbox, and every bush. You know, leaving Ikea feels like getting off work early on payday. Alright, y'all, so I've been very bad. Tamara's mad with me because she bought this lamp from Ikea and she don't know how to put it together.